is a painting. The kind Picasso would paint, simple, but it leaves the viewer intrigued. She is the heat of a fire, her smile radiating so much warmth it could burn down a house. When the moon rises and the sun falls, she is that picture. The reason I don't hit the snooze button in the morning, because waking up only means seeing her sooner. No, not only is she the reason for me to open my eyes, she is the reason I dream. She is the music that makes people cry, not out of sadness, but because every time she speaks, all I hear is a symphony, and it's so beautiful I'm left questioning what life really is. What is it? If she told me she's an angel, I would believe in heaven. She is the sole reason, the reason I question what true happiness is, content. Why should I waste time being sad when the feeling of her breath against my skin makes me smile the way I do? Fall, winter, spring, and summer, she is the beauty in the leaves changing color, the smell of rain in the night and dew in the morning. I never knew beauty until I knew her. People always tell me perfection does not exist, but if it didn't, she wouldn't be here. She is here. Like the first snowfall, she's quiet, but she is here. And she is mine. And she is you.